Today we'll see how to apply materials. If you want to make your drawing more realistic, and then you have to apply material on it, right? By applying material, you can change the overall look of your project, right? So how to apply material? First of all, you have to make material, right? So you need to go to the Manage tab, and here we have materials, right? So you need to click here, then material browser will appear. So here we'll see how many materials we have in our Revit. Okay, it will comes with the Revit, and here we have this material browser panel. So it's divided into two sections or divisions we have. So here we have project material, right? And here we have the library. In simple words, we can say these will be the material which are available in your computer, and this is the material which are available in your project, which you have applied on your project. If you want to explore more, all right, maybe in your computer, if you click on this double arrow, you cannot see. So make sure you have clicked on this double arrow to see the both sections, right? So here, if you click in home, so here we have Autodesk AEC library. If you studied AutoCAD, in AutoCAD also we have AEC materials. So it's a library from Autodesk. So click here. So you will see a lot of materials presets are available here. We have paint. If you click here, you will see we have paint material by default available. Click on tile, you will see a lot of tile materials are available here. Click on wood, you have a lot of wood materials are available here. So if you click on any materials you want to apply, all right, or you want to make it, so you need to click here. So you will get the options to add it or you want to apply it. All right, when you click on the material, so here you will get the two options. When you click, it will show you the its preview here as well, right? So here we have two options. So first option we have here, it's called like add this material to the project material, all right? And the second one we have add its material, right? So again, I will click here, this material, and here you will get this option. If you click this cherry material, if you click here, so this material, it says it's already in the project. You want to replace it? Yes, replace it, no problem. So it will be here. It's added to your project material. If you will do change, this is project specific material. If you will do change here, so it will not change your computer material at all, right? So if you want to edit in both, so click here. So if you want to edit, for example, we have this one, which just click here, and this is the second button you can click. So it will not only add to the project, but also it will open here in material editor. We can edit it. Let's see how the material will work. What is this editor of material editor? We have, for example, this cherry. Okay, if you click here, so here we have some tabs related to material. Let's see what is the identity. It's the information of that material, right? If you have this material and you want to see its information, so it will show you the information of that material you have. So we have the metal material. So I'll go to here, liquid we have. So I'll go to metal, and here we have the aluminium as well. So click here. So it will, I will click here. So it will open here as well. So it's an aluminium material. So I have just opened it. So actually I wanted to tell you about that tabs. First of all, we have identity of that material. As I told you before, Revit is recording everything, right? When you are going to make a schedule, it will give you this all information. We can take, for example, we can take the description of this material and the class. We can also categorize it, right? Carpet and where you want to place this one. When we will create our own material, we can categorize it also. For example, it's a metal, so it will go in aluminium or whatever it was before. So it was metal. When we'll create our own material, we'll see also how. So here are the keywords. So who has manufactured this one? Because when you are giving, you are making sheets in your project, right? So you are sending to the client, and you want to take, you want to tell about the material. So you have this information already feed it here. So it will be helpful in your scheduling, right? It will be helpful for you when you will take material takeoff at the end of the project. Here we have two tabs. Okay, we have here graphical and also we have appearance. So graphics means it will be on only shaded view, right? It's not going to render. If you want to work only on the shaded view, in a simple words, I'm telling you. So whatever changes you will do here, it will appear only in the shaded view, right? But whatever you want to change in the appearance, so it will change in the rendering view or the appearance view. All right. For example, here we have this wood, all right. So I will just take any wood from here. So here we have this one. I will just add this one to the material, and it's added, and I will open here as well. So it's added, all right. So let's see, we have this one. Material. So here we have the graphical representation of it, like how it will look like on a shaded view. Okay, just remember this one. I will just click OK, because we need to make something to show the material on it. I will make a wall, then I will apply that material on it. Then we will see actually how it's going to look like. All right, so I will create a wall. So we will apply material on it. All right, so I will create a wall. So I will take this one and connect to level 1, and here we have a simple wall, right? So I have this simple wall, so I have made it like that. So then I will go to the 3D view so that I can see the preview of it. So click here, 3D view. So here we have this wall, right? So now I want to see actually how it's gonna look like in a shaded view or in a appearance view. So select this one first of all, how to apply material on the wall. So you need to select this one, then you need to go edit type, right? Then here you need to edit the structure, then you need to click material, right? So you need to click here, material, then it will take you same material browser. So here we have that material, right? If you, I will select this material, right? Then you need to click here, open. You can see the appearance also. Here we have appearance, and you can see here identity, and you can verify the name as well. So just apply this one, all right? So select this one, so click OK and OK and apply. All right, now that material has been applied, but in shaded view. All right, if you will change the view from here, so you will see it's a gray. It's not showing me the wood. So if you will go to the appearance from here, realistic view, this is a realistic view, it's appearance view, then it will show you the wood which you have applied, the real texture it will show you. All right, so you can why we are using shaded, because shaded view will consume less RAM. The appearance realistic view will consume more RAM. All right, it will make your project more heavier. So what people do actually, so they will just take the color of it, but also another purpose is there why we use this one. So we'll select this again, so go to the edit and go to edit structure, and here material name is there. So what I want to do in graphics, I want to use render appearance, the color. If you want to change color from here, you can have your own color for the shaded view, right? But if you want to take from the image of appearance, so you can see appearance image is this. So if you want to use this color in a shaded view, you need to just click here, use render appearance. When you click here, so it will take this color, which is similar to your material. The purpose is only to consume less RAM. But we will have the idea what it's going to look like. Then we have here more graphical. In shaded view, you have surface pattern, you have cut pattern, you can apply. Right, surface pattern, if you want to apply any pattern on the surface of the wall, then you can use it. Foreground pattern, if you want to apply, you can choose any of the pattern, for example, like that. And also you have color of that pattern, you can select from here, right? So it will be only in shaded view. Texture alignment you can do as well. So here also background color, so two patterns you can apply. For example, next pattern I have this one, the color is there. Just click apply and OK, you will see here, it will show you, right? Click OK. So we have background and foreground, two patterns you have applied on it, and you can see easily. So if I will go again here, so next we have here cut pattern. Cut pattern will show you in section, right? For example, I will go to the section. I will cut this wall, and I want to show you the section of it. So here we have how to cut section. You will go to the view, and here you have that section. So I will make this section like that. So it's I'm just cutting this wall. So as you will apply this section, so section will come here under this, right? So you can open from your section, click here on section and double click, so it will open section, right? So here we have this wall. So I want to show what is inside the wall. Cut pattern, when you cut the wall, what is inside. So select this one and again go to the material, edit type, and here edit, and go to here, and this time I want to apply the cut pattern. So you need to come here, cut pattern, and here foreground and background both you have. Click here and I will apply this one. Click OK and apply, right? And OK, then you will see also the cut pattern will show here. Still it's not showing because you need to change the view, right, into the fine view. Then it will show you inside the cut factor. Right, from here you need to change the detail level, you have to change into the fine, and it will show you inside. So that's how you can use the graphical representation of the material or the shaded view of the material. But let's see how we can change the appearance. If I'll go to the appearance view here, so I will change to realistic view, how I can change it. So again, I will go to the shaded, then I will select this one and I will go to edit type, then go to edit and structure. Alright, then here you have this one. I will go to the appearance. Appearance, first of all, you have color information, same, it's getting from there, description and this keywords. And here in generic, you will go to the image and the color as well. Image, you need to click here. So here we have image detail if you want to add it. You can change its brightness. If you want to change the brightness, you can adjust the position, you can adjust the scale, you can make it big or small, right? For example, you want to make it 2 feet, you can make it 2 feet as well, or whatever. So it's proportionally, it's changing the size. You can also click here the chain link if you don't want proportionally. Then you can come down as well, right? Further properties, you can check what properties you have down. Then you need to click done, so it will be applied, right? We have image fade, glossiness, reflectivity, transparency. This all you can apply if you want to change. But the most importantly, we have bump here. Bump is used to make a depth in your material, right? But we need a black and white image for that. We will see how we can use it. Right now, this built-in material doesn't have bump image here. I need to apply bump. I need to make it black and white image. I will tell you how I will make by my own material by using this bump. So that's how you will select the properties of it. Just click OK, and OK, now apply, and it's applied. Then you need to change the realistic view, so that material has been applied here. Let me tell you one thing more. For example, you have another wall, right? So go to how you can copy the material. If you have like this wall, right? And it's very easy to copy. You can go edit material, right? Then go to edit, and here is the name, right? So just right click and copy this material, right? So when you will copy, right, then you can apply anywhere. Control C, you can copy, then you can apply, paste anywhere you want to, right? So it will be. All right, so that's how you can apply pre-existing material. Let's see how I can create my own material, right? If you want to create my own material, and I want to show you how I can create a depth with the bump. For that purpose, I will go to, again, material. You can also create with the manage, but I want to apply directly on it. I'll go edit type, then edit structure, then click here and here. There are two ways to create your material. If you already know the category, then right click, you can duplicate it. So it will be saved in the same category. All right, then you can just change here. You can change image, you can change. If you want to create your own, then go here, right? So go here. This is the way you can create a new material. You can duplicate selected material. I will go here, create a new material. Then it will be here. New default material. So you have to rename it. Go to identity and rename it, right? For example, my stone material, right? Like that. And the manufacturer who is model, you can give this information. So graphic, what representation you want to show. First, I want to adjust the graphical representation of it, like appearance representation. So I will click on it, then I will go to image. All right, so I will go here and I will attach my image. So I have downloaded some images. All right, so I will apply that. You can download also from Polyheaven website. A lot of materials are available there, right? So with the bump also you will get. Look, I have a lot of textures here. Actually, the bump file is the black and white file. You can make it in Adobe Photoshop also. Do it black and white and just make which will be the black color is going to be more depth is going to create. So you can see this all materials I have downloaded from Polyheaven. This is a stone rock material. So I will take this one. Well, this is my main file. Click OK. So it will be here, as you can see. You can change this preview also, the scene as well. If you click on this drop down, look at the scene. And here you have a lot of scene. Maybe you want to see on the wall. Just click on the wall. Then it will show you how it's going to look like on the wall. Right? So like that, you can also change the scene if you want to change scene. You want to change environment. You can take environment behind it as well. Again, it will consume more of your RAM. Okay, you should have a very good computer for that. So if you want to change this view, you can change it. Then again, if you want to change image size and anything, you want to change it this one. But most importantly, whatever size you are keeping here, the bump size should be same. Let me show you without bump first of all. So just okay. So apply. So it's applied on this project, right? Click OK. So here we have this one. So now you can see I don't have any depth in it, right? It's a without bump, right? So if I want to, if I will apply bump on it, so you will see a lot of depth it will be. This will look by the way real stone, right? So again, you go to edit type. All right, so you need to select the wall first, then go to edit type, then edit, then here edit material, right? So then, so now I will add bump. So come down, but you should have a bump file. Huh? Click here, and here I have the same bump file. It comes with the material I have downloaded from polyheaven.com. But you can make also, if you know the Photoshop, it's very easy. Someday I will teach you how to make it. So now, so it's added. Again, I'm telling you the size should be the same. Okay, one by one. If you are changing this size, all right, then you should change they should match now, right? Otherwise, you will not get the same results. And here, how much amount, how much thickness you want, how much depth you want. You can see here also the result. Now I will change the scene so that I can see, for example, here, like that, how much depth it's going to create. Apply and click OK. Then it will show you the live preview here. That is okay. Apply, and now you will see it has been like with the bump. You have the clear depth in it. Look at this. Before it was not there. So now we have more depth. If you will make it 100%, so it will look a more realistic stone rock material, right? So that's how you can do. If you want, let me do how you can render it. If you want to render this, so you will go to the view. Right here we have the render. Right, you need to just click on the render. Go to view, then render. Then it will show you the render panel. You need to click here, render. Setting draft again. Yeah, how much time you have, which quality you need to choose it. Of course, it will take time and it will also consume a lot of memory of your computer. I will keep it draft, and resolution, screen resolution, printer you want, you can change also this one. And what lighting I want, exterior sun only because it's exterior. If I will use internal lines, I will use this one also, like what three we have for exterior, three we have for interior. We have detailed lesson on rendering. Don't worry, I will teach you. For now, just only you need to click on the render. All right, when you click on the render, so whatever the preview is here, it's going to render that. Like display of the screen is going to render. We have detailed lesson of render, so we will see how to place camera, how to do render, how to add lights. We have it now. Look at this. Wow, beautiful view, right? You can see how the original it looks. It will render itself inside the screen, right? So now it's a render preview. If you look at this, if you are zooming, you can see also very nice. So here is two options. You want to save to the project, so it will save inside the project. You can see, like for example, wall preview, right? So we have like that, and click OK. So it's saved here. If you want to save for your computer, export, and you can save for your computer as well to share it. Now I will close it. Now I have my 3D render. Anytime you want to see, you'll go to render, because when we will create sheet, we will add the render, we will add section, we will add plan, everything we have to show in a layout, right? So go here and wall preview is here. Look, click, and your image is here. Whatever project you have created, you can do. Even in the draft, quality is very nice, right? If you will do in a high quality render, so of course it will take time, but you will get the real quality image. So that's how you can apply material, and how you can create your own material, and how you can render also your material, right?